Okay, hi YouTube. Sorry, it's kind of been a long time no see type of deal. I've got an unboxing video that I need to do. I'm waiting for a couple more stickers to show up so I can do that all in one shot. Today's episode, I kind of came up with a formula for a punch lube. Thanks to Matthew over at Aimless Adventurers Metal Works. I hope I'm remembering that right. We got to chatting at one point, and he was doing some experimenting with using soapstone as part of a refractory. Well, soapstone takes high temperatures as well as a few other things, and as far as punch lube goes, soapstone is basically talc. So my version of a punch lube, I'm stingy on beeswax. So what I have in the can is approximately 1 to 1.5 cups of rendered tallow. You can use beef tallow. I've used deer tallow. Both are good. This is my can that I mix it up in, so that's why it looks all junky and clunky. But basically, I get the tallow rendered down, and into that I take approximately 1 cup of very fine coal dust. Now, I actually had to crush the coal dust, or the coal into coal dust. I also have just down in here is about 1 to 2 tablespoons of talc baby powder. And then on top of that is about 1 to 2 tablespoons of graphite powder. So more or less you get this all melted down, which it's working on. Sorry for the smoke, but grilling sweet corn tonight. But anyway, you get your tallow all melted down. You pour your dusts in there, stir it up off the heat, let it set up, and you're ready to rock and roll. I've had some fairly reasonable reviews on the samples that I sent out to a few people, and there's been a couple of them. They said it smells funny, but then again, it's not like your typical coal dust and beeswax. So anyway, there's quote-unquote Drayson's Punch Lube, and I hope some of you give it a shot, and maybe it'll help. I've been told that it's a little more slick than the standard coal dust and charcoal powder, or coal powder. So, all right, you guys all be well. I will catch you all on the next one. Be well, be safe, and have a great day. Hammer on.